Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegetable coleslaw. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 medium head of green cabbage, 2 to 3 carrots, and 1 small onion. For the dressing, have on hand 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. A pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper will complete your flavor profile. These fresh components are the foundation for a perfect, creamy coleslaw. Now, let's get those vegetables ready. Start by finely shredding your medium head of green cabbage. Aim for thin, delicate strips. Next, grate your 2 to 3 carrots using a box grater or food processor for a uniform texture. Finally, mince that small onion very finely so its flavor blends seamlessly. Once all your vegetables are prepped, combine them in a large mixing bowl, ensuring they are well mixed before adding the dressing. The dressing is key to a great coleslaw. In a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 cup of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar until smooth. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir everything thoroughly until the sugar dissolves and the dressing is perfectly combined. Always taste your dressing at this stage and adjust the seasoning if needed, perhaps adding a little more sugar or vinegar for balance. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour your creamy, homemade dressing over the prepared vegetables in the large mixing bowl. Using a large spoon or tongs, gently toss the mixture until every shred of cabbage and carrot is evenly coated with the delicious dressing. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes or even a few hours to allow the flavors to meld. Serve this refreshing side dish chilled and enjoy your easy, homemade coleslaw.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.